Hey guys, I'm Katie. I'm adding up Addingtons and something just a little fun for you. You may have seen the balance challenge going around social media. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not on TikTok, but I saw Angela Braniff over on This Gathered Nest do it with her husband, CR, and it was pretty hilarious. Now, my husband is generally a little too dignified to do something like that with me, so he wouldn't do it. My oldest two sons, however, were pretty game. So I'm gonna show you that. That's all I've got today, but don't forget to subscribe down below if you haven't already. You can also find us on Instagram, Facebook, or on Buy Me a Coffee, and enjoy. All right, so what we're gonna do is you have to sit up on your knees. Okay, up. Yep. All right, you're gonna put your hands. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put our hands down, and then from here, you're gonna put your elbows on the floor. You're gonna put your hands on your cheeks like this, and then when I say go, you're gonna quick put your hands behind your back, but you have to leave your body here, and put your hands behind your back, okay?
You might want to put your knee more forward.
All right, ready? Go, hands.
Oh, wait,
Hands.
like this?
No. On your hands. Okay, now put your elbows where your hands are. And put your hands on your face. And then move your hands behind your back.
I did it too quickly.
On your feet.
Okay.
I think, I didn't think. That was awesome, buddy. There's no blood. Good job.
Mom win that challenge.
Good thing we didn't do it on the hardwood floor downstairs.
How come Mom can
Do you know? Do you know why? No, I've never done it before.
Why?
Because boys and girls have different, it's called centers of gravity. Means where their body balances their weight is in a different spot.
I'm gonna try it again.
Okay. Nice. You got to
this?
sit up on your nose. Or on your toes. Your knees.
Elbows?
Sit up on your knees.
Like this?
Yes. All the way. All the way up.
What?
Sit up.
Sit up on your nose.
Sit up with your legs, your thighs straight. Okay, now, like bend straight over from your waist, so you're move your hands forward a little bit. There you go. Okay, now put your elbows right where your hands are. Gotta scoot forward a little bit so your butt's higher up in the air. Okay, put your hands on your face and
On your back.
right behind your back.
I did it. Is it hard? It's a little tough on my back.
He's doing it pretty well.
You are.
I want to do it again. It's a little rough on my back though.
You can do it like with your
Mommy, the
look.
first
See
couple
how
times
my
I did
legs
it a
are straight
little.
up. On
Now
the
the
floor.
first couple times I did it a little too fast, right, Mom?
Just
I
put
was
your
like-
hands forward farther. A little bit more. Probably not. Like, now put your arms straight down from your shoulders. Leave. There you go.
So much that time.
I was just trying to hit the really Is there any other challenge things? I don't even know if I've got to do my elbow thing. Oh wait, oh again. Is my legs a little funny? Yeah. But
Okay, now move your arms forward a little bit.
here?
A little bit more. So you're like making a box. Like up, across, and down.
Okay.
Okay, now on your elbows, right where your hands are.
Like this?
Yep. And now don't move your body, just put your arms behind your back.
Can you do it with me holding you down?
Yeah.
Can you go up?
I don't know. I don't know if I can or not.
See if you can
What do you mean if I can go up? You mean if you let go?
Can you do no-handed push-up?
Okay, down. This?
Yeah.
Pretty easy actually.
All right, that's it.
It's really annoying. Is your leg straight?
Yep. Your back's straight. There you go. No-handed push-ups.
I remember that. I put my nose down.